What's up everyone? Khalil Ramos here. I am here right now sa Autobot Off-Road HQ and I'm with Team Ride Max. We are going to be setting up my Lolo's Montero, which is now currently owned by my dad. Papang overland vehicle namin siya. So tara, let's go inside. Sineset up na siya ngayon. Let's go! Alright guys, so habang iniintay yung Montero matapos, kinakabitan siya ng wheels and tires ngayon. My friends over at AirPro gave me these air fresheners for the Montero and first time ko siyang makita at buksan. And I must say, they look really cute. Itong little mic bobblehead, very fitting for my personality. As most of you know, I started my career as a singer, so bagay siya sa personality ko. And the smell is very fresh. Yung scent niya nakalagay Ocean Fresh. So, tama nga naman, para siyang ocean na fresh. And then they also gave me this box set with different scents. So, parang naka-base siya sa cities. So, London, Paris, Tokyo, New York, Dubai, and Manila. Nice. Cool. Thanks, AirPro. Waiting lang kami ngayon for the car to be fitted with the wheels, and we'll see you later down there para makita yung new look at new shoes ng Montero. Ox guys, baba na tayo. Kinakabitan na daw yung Montero ng wheels. Tara! So first time ko dito sa Autobot HQ, I must say, ang ganda nung nung facility, ang ganda nung lugar, sobrang laki. Solid work on your new HQ. Bisita kayo guys, nandito siya sa QC, sa Project 8. Yun So here guys, naka-lift na yung Montero. Kwento ko lang din yung story nito. So this car is actually my lolo's, my late lolo, who isn't with us na. Ang lolo ko, pinas niya to sa father ko after he passed away. Daddy ko na yung nagme-maintain. Ang plano namin sa Montero na to is to use it as a camper this time. Hindi na namin siya daily driver. Siyempre yung mga daily drivers namin, mga mas bagong cars na. Pero ito, we use it right now for road trips, adventures, and mild off-road lang, hindi todo off-road. Nilagyan na namin siya ng racks, tsaka ng awning tent. Yun pa lang, so far. The rest, stock siya. As in, bone stock. So, what we're doing here sa Autobot is to replace the wheels and the tires with BF Goodrich's all-terrain tires. So we chose all-terrain. We didn't want mud tires kasi hindi naman kami mag-i-intense off-road. So yung all-terrain, it's in the middle of highway and mud. Yung all-terrain is perfect for us kasi city driving and konting trail, konting off-road because we want that off-road feel para magkaroon na ng konting ability or mas ma-improve yung ability ng Montero to go to rough road and all-terrain. So we're waiting for that now. Nilift yung car para kabitan nung sample pa lang. Parang tinitingnan namin yung fit muna. So yeah, let's wait for it. Alright guys, so we are currently waiting for the Montero to be finished. Na-balance na yung wheels tsaka tires, so hinihintay na namin siyang matapos ngayon. Super excited na kami makita yung final result. Pero before that, kwentuhan ko kayo kung bakit ba namin sisetapan tong Montero. So basically, like I said kanina, yung Montero na to, so lolo ko siya. Minana na ng daddy ko, and hopefully in the future, mamana ko rin. Ngayon, ang plano namin gawin siyang camper. Kung makikita nyo sa vlogs namin ni Gab, isa yun sa mga trip namin ngayon, yung mag-camp or overland kung tawagin. Medyo mild setup yung ginagawa namin, hindi naman sobrang extreme off-road. Basically, a camper that we can use, kami ni Gab, kami ng family ko, na pwede namin gamitin sa mga bundok, sa mga beach, sa mga river, chill, overland camping lang. So yun yung na-achieve namin na setup with the new wheels from Autobot Autoworks and the new BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 tires. So that I'm super excited to finally see and use. I've been a fan of Goodrich ever since kasi nag-restore kami ng daddy ko ng 1965 Ford Mustang, and ang period correct tires nun are BF Goodrich Radial TAs. So actually, trivia lang, yung tires na yun, ang hirap hanapin nun. Merong mga kumopya ng mga Asian brands nung ganong itsura tsaka thread. Pero sinabi namin we want to stick to the original. Hanapin natin yung talagang BF Goodrich na totoong radial TA. Buti na lang nahanap namin siya, and yun yung nakakabit sa Mustang namin. Ever since, sobrang bilib na kami sa quality ng Goodrich. Kaya nung pinaplano namin lagyan to ng all-terrain tires, talagang Goodrich agad inisip namin. And true enough, our friends and everyone who have tried BF Goodrich before, ang nireko talaga nila Goodrich kasi okay yung quality. So yeah, that's the story behind the Montero, and makikita nyo siya soon sa mga vlogs namin, sa mga IG posts. Alright. Brother.
Ganda. Thank you bro. Thank you for trusting us sa pag-build ng Montero mo. Alam ko na sobrang special to sa'yo. Bigyan mo kami short story about this Montero.
Well, ito, 96 Montero to.
Yeah.
Ka-age ko. 96 din ako pinanganak.
Batang-bata pa pala bro.
This was previously owned by my lolo.
Yeah.
So, siya ang first owner. And then it was passed on to my dad.
Okay.
Nung nawala na si lolo, si daddy na nagmana. So, siya yung nag-maintain ngayon. Hopefully, one day.
Mapasa na rin sa'yo, bro. Nice.
Sa akin. So, very special sa amin. Ang naalala ko, nung bata ako, lagi akong sumasakay dito sa Montero na.
Oo nga.
Tapos baka yung mga nanonood, akalain nila kasi mas common sa mga Pinoy na ganitong itsura, Pajero. So, ito kasi kaya sa Montero, while hindi siya kamukha ng Montero na alam natin ngayon,
Yes.
yung dati kasing Pajero, Montero siya sa ibang bansa.
Montero siya sa ibang bansa,
So,
no?
ito sa Dubai. To be
Yeah,
specific.
Dubai.
Dubai import siya ng Montero.
So, in short, yung Montero ngayon sa atin is yung Montero Sport.
Sport. Oo.
So, yung mga latest model na yan.
Tapos inalis na nila yung dalawang pangalan ngayon. Pajero tsaka Montero. Magkaiba na.
Yeah. So, worth it talaga siyang i-setup Kasi aside dun sa medyo rare siya, yung Montero, then may sentimental value. So, thank you bro. It's a good choice. BF Goodrich yung pinili mong tires na
syempre.
talagang bumagay siya dun sa sa pagka old school. Even na old school, tapos yung BF Goodrich na KO2 all-terrain, talagang perfect na perfect siya dun. With the mugs, classic look lang. Tapos the size of the tires is 30 by 9.5 R15. So, hindi siya nagkakalayo dun sa stock
Yung sa stock.
Sa stock, yes.
Stock 265 So, very
Yes,
similar.
265.
Mas malaki.
Yes, bro. BF Goodrich, it's all-terrain tires. Yung durability, yung aggressive, nandoon. At saka yung tread life, bro, na siguradong mas matatagal yan. Oo.
Tsaka comfort. Ang narinig
Yes,
ko, komportable.
yes, bro.
Komportable
On
siya.
and off-road, pwede siya. Lalo na si Bro Khalil nagpaplanong magka-camping.
Oo, camping.
Maybe.
Overlander to.
Yes, talagang So, it's a more upgrade pa dito soon. Maybe the suspension, the bumpers.
Yes.
So,
dito
marami
yun,
kayong
syempre.
aabangan dyan.
Abangan nyo na lang. Makikita nyo kung ano pang gagawin namin dito. Alright guys, mga nanonood at those who tuned in and listened to the story of this Montero at kung paano namin siya in-upgrade, maraming salamat sa pagpanood sa video na to. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button on this channel sa Team Ride Max Philippines.
Yes, and don't forget to like our page at BF Goodrich Stars, Team Ride Max, Facebook. And also guys, we are asking for your help na bago lang nawala yung page namin. We have our new page now. It's Autobot Off-Road PH. Thank you guys.
Follow nyo na yan.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Marami pa to.
Yeah, God bless. Bye-bye.